What's that? What is? What is it? Did you forget what his name is?
Caterpillar.
Is it a very hungry caterpillar? And what is he eating?
Pears.
He's eating pears? These are actually purple. Those are happy 3rd birthday.
And look. 3.
And it's a 3.
Because I'm 3.
Yay. Oh, and there's your watch. Oh my gosh. And let's first say more college funds. Which is unnecessary, but so sweet. And oh my gosh, stickers. Oh my gosh, that's so wonderful. What do you see stickers?
Look. A cookie monster.
A cookie monster? No.
A caterpillar. It's sticker.
Caterpillar sticker? Yeah. Ooh.
Let's see.
Wow. Those are really cool stickers.
I want one.
You want one?
Because I mean.
Well, how about if you make Boo Boo this morning and get one? Ooh, that's a great idea. Yeah.
No.
Well, you can have one now, but then when
it's your birthday.
Because it's your birthday. But when you make Boo Boo, you get another one. Do you want the caterpillar? Where do you want it? Nice.